this. You double click the icon and the software generally open the first time in Italian language. You go immediately in preferences, you change the language, you save, you close and you reopen, and you find the software with all the English text in the menus and also in the list of material. All the printout of the software will be in English. The software will be open to be translated in other languages very easily, because all these languages are managed in database, Access database, so it's very easy to translate in the future this software. The software, when you have opened the software, you find environment like this, a three-dimension environment. You have a mouse that if you click the left button of the mouse, you can pan, you can move the project. If you click the right button, you can turn around the project and also change the point of view, the height of your point of view. The menus are very simple. This first is to draw a new line, open a new project, open folder where you have already saved other project, save the project, print, is used to print out the list of material and also to export Excel files. These are an Undo or Rido. This button gives you the possibility to change from, to toggle from a 3D view and a rendering view. After, these are buttons that function to draw walls, to draw ceiling and other walls. Here you can insert with this, you can insert other objects you use generally to improve your project. You can insert a transformer, you can insert panel board. This is the bill of material, the calculator where you have here when you have a project defined at the bill of material, and this is the button that can be useful when you build up a line. We go on to draw a simple line. When I click here, the software asks me the first point, the starting point to draw the line. I can click everywhere I need. In this case, the first point is at the level 0 with the Z equal to 0. After, I choose the direction. I have the 6 possibilities of direction. I choose the direction, I choose the length, and I click. I choose another direction, I click, like this, I click. If I go near the border, like this, or the other border, the layout moves automatically, so I have to, if I need to move like this. Another way to move the layout is to push the space on the keyboard. If I push the space and after with the mouse I click and I move, when I release the space, I can continue to draw. I have some feedback when I'm drawing. I have some feedback about the alignment to other points already installed, already positioned on the drawings, and so I can easily determine a simple connection like this. Now I have to decide what type of bus bar I have to develop. I click here and the software asks me what rating and what type of bus bar you will use. For this beta version in the database you will find all the SCP version, all the SCP ratings, aluminium and copper. So this software also in the beta version can be used to make around 90–95% of your offer with SCP. In the future, the software will have also HR references and MR references at minimum. After we see. I choose a rating of a super compact. I can choose here double clicking or selecting, or I can, if I need, also filter. I filter to 2000 amps and I see the two lines that are 2000 amps rating. I double click in aluminium and that's all. I have the list of material already defined. I have the drawing in 3D. The drawing in 3D I can zoom in or zoom out with the wheel you find on your mouse, or in other way, zoom in and zoom out moving this device. If I click on one element, I have the feedback about the dimension, the same dimension I see here, and I have also the feedback about the reference I'm investigating. I click on the elbow like this, I have the feedback that this is a special elbow of 300 mm per 1175 millimeters, and so on. If I click on one reference in this side, I have immediately the feedback of what type, what is the element of the layout I'm investigating, like this or this other. Okay, now I made a project. I can with tapping ESC on your keyboard, I can remove this information, and I can take a picture of this project. I'm taking a picture, and this picture can be used to improve my offer as an attachment of my offer. I can position in my project in other point of view and capture another screenshot. After I save my project, ask me the name of the project, is project for beta tutorial. Okay, and I can print the list of material. If I push here this icon, I have a window like this where I can insert here the name of the project that will be printed in a headroom, in a head of my paper or my offer. I can push this is a print preview. I see all the list material necessary to install my layout, my super compact project, plus also the hanger necessary to install correctly this project. The hanger are automatically defined, verifying how many meters are installed in the horizontal layout, how many meters in vertical, and in particular for horizontal layout in horizontal position, the software understands how many meters in the edge position, how many meters in the flat position, and calculate the number of installed of necessary bracket. In this case, as you can see, the bus bar is installed in the flat position, so it decided to forecast, to preview and to offer 21 hanger flat-wise installation. I can print with this button on the printer, on the paper, or export to an Excel file. I exported to Excel file the same list of material that I can manage. I can insert on my stationery, on the paper, overprint on my paper, and so use this material to be more effective, to be more efficient in my offer layout. These are price lists calculating for each element and for each particular length, in particular when we speak about the elbows. This elbow is a 300 mm per 1175 mm, and the price is a price list calculated correctly for this length. If I change the discount, I need to refresh with a new print preview to see the net price instead of the price list. Okay, I save another time, and for the first step that's all.